Hey everyone, it's Aldergrove Explorations. We're out here at the military base, and right across from the military base is a massive wetland. Now this is home to many invertebrates like water beetles, water striders, and larvae of dragonfly, and also home to plenty of different duck and bird species. Well, ducks are birds. So we're going to dive into some of those species right now. So Jay, I'll hand over not the mic, but the invisible mic to the bird expert.
Okay, you can't really see them very well right now.
The white ones, white belly ones, black around the butt, brown on top.
Those ones are gadwalls.
And they're dipping their heads underneath the water and showing their white and black butts.
Yeah. I think I see them most often like that. They look very similar to mallards, but they're a little more gray overall. Less patterned. And
what was that other white one that you saw?
oh, they were buffleheads, and they got their name from buffaloes or bison, because they have weird shaped heads like bison have. Pretty weird.
We also saw a Canada goose.
Yeah, and there were a couple green-winged teals. I don't know if you can see them, but I think they're kind of hiding now, but they're all on the other side.
Let's see if we can spot any. Oh,
one just flew away.
Where'd he go?
And he landed.
And this is a really neat spot because you wouldn't expect a large wetland area like this in town, despite having the creek running through. Now, I'm not sure if this actually connects to the Bertrand or not, but maybe via satellite we can figure that out. And what are some of the birds that are calling at the moment?
There's a lot of red-winged blackbirds. They're all looking for mates right now, so they're pretty vocal. There's a couple song sparrows too, but you can't really hear them.
So let's look around. So there's some residential area over there, and then some field with grass and some trees surrounding. Now this is a great place for people to walk dogs. There's like trails and moss. It's not quite a large area. There's a fence separating the field from the swamp and access underneath, and a little trail on the other side leading to the woods over there in that region. I'm not sure what the fence says, but we'll just not read that.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of different types of grasses too, so this is a great place to do things like iNaturalist. If you want to check out that app, iNaturalist, you take photos of different animals or traces of animals, and you can get people to identify them and locate them on your map. So whenever you take a picture, it pinpoints where you took that picture, and then scientists can use that information for anything they're doing because they can't be in the field constantly like we are. I now use that app more frequently, so if any of you viewers are curious about nature and want to get out exploring in your neighborhoods, that's a perfect app to get.
And if you're into birds, get eBird.
Now what's eBird about?
You report all of your bird sightings, and it's similar to iNaturalist, but it revolves around birds, and it gives a lot of information about migration patterns and populations, so it's really helpful for citizen science. Anybody can make an account. It's ebird.org, and there's an app too. It's pretty cool.
Perfect. So we'll be going to beaver dams in the area. So right here, there's a lot of beaver activity, bite marks on trees and shavings, chippings, and whatnot. We're actually on our way to the start of the Bertrand to check out some beaver dams, which will be in a separate video. So stay tuned for that one, guys. I'll see ya next time. Bye-bye.
Is that abbreviation again? Wait. Ooh, I think
Okay, release time. Bye-bye, little buddy. He's under the leaves. There's a little hummingbird up there. Oh, and it's gone.
Oh. Oh, come back. Okay, the eagles might try to kill it.
Really?
Sometimes hawks will kill them.
Hawks will kill our owls.
I wish we could get over to the water then.